Hello everyone. Welcome back to Craft with Beauty Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to make stickers in Silhouette Studio. I'm going to show you the design part and how to prepare everything for you to cut. Okay. Here I am in Silhouette Studio. I'm in Business Edition, but you can also do this in Designer Edition. Okay. I will fix my page setup first. I will come here to the first one right here, page setup right here, and I'll go to the media. The media is the white part of the page, and I'll go here and I'll fix it to 8.5 by 11, 8.5 by 11, and I will have it in the landscape orientation. Okay. Okay, this is my page, my paper that I'm going to print out on. Now I'm going to prepare my image. I'll show you my image really quick. This is the image that I'm going to be using. This right here, I'm going to be using. Okay. Okay, I think I can bring it in. I can open it in Silhouette Studio and remove the background. Let's do that really quick. I'll open it right in here. Okay, here we see. Okay, I chose this little guy because you can use this as a action sticker for your child. Like when you're making stickers, you are with a purpose in mind, like reading. For instance, if you're making a planner for your child to read, so at the time that he needs to read, you can put this sticker there. So we know it's reading time. Okay. Okay, here it is. I'm going to remove the background. Um, I'll go to trace, trace right here. Okay. Because the background is one big solid color, I'm going to be using, I'll use this one, the second one right here. We're going to trace by color. Outside is white, so we're going to trace by white. Okay, let me make it a little bit smaller. Okay, not too small. Let me go back to the plus. Okay, and then here I will run the tolerance a little bit up because I want to get rid of these here. I want it to be smooth, you know, to be going in. Look here, you see it's going in, and I will trace until it's a little bit in the black. It should go to it should go close to the black. Let's go in more. Okay. I think I'm happy with what I have. And I will trace and detach so it will release the white from it. Okay, let's go back. And then we can release the white. You see that? I love it. Look what I did. Let's go in here really quick. Here. When you go here, you see that it chipped into the white a little bit. That means there's no white left. Okay, and then we're going to delete this, and now we have our boy, our kid right here. And then we're going to make him smaller. He's too big. I'm going to lock it here, and then let's say I'll make it 2 inch. Let's put here 2 and enter. So he is 2 inch. Let me go back here. Okay, it's 2 inch. Let me go here for a moment. Okay, he still has some white around him. Let's see how we will remove it. Okay, you see he still has something around it. I can just take my eraser and make my eraser smaller right here. Make it small, not too small, but make it small. Let me see here. Too small. Okay, and then we're going to zoom in again. Okay, and then I'll start here. I'll start here, break it down right there. Okay, and then I'll go back. And I think when I do this, okay, let's go down here. You see this piece is already cut off. Now I will go down here with my eraser. Okay, so that's also broken. Go back here. Okay, then I can remove this and remove this. Okay, if you want to take the white out here, you can also come back to trace, and then you stand here with the white on the white. Let's go back to here. Okay, now we'll go back to our tracing panel. Go here and we select the drop, trace by color, okay. Let's see if we can run it up. Okay, not too far. This is good. Trace by color. I'll take this out. You see, everything will be removed. Let's go see what we have. Okay. All the residue, the extra residue that we have left, let's remove them. Okay. Now we have this. Now we're going to turn him into a sticker. If you want, you can write here, read. Let's do that. Let's write down. Okay, now we're going to write down. Let's write it down here. Read, and then I will go to the dropper. Okay, read. I'll go to the dropper, take the dropper here, take the color of his shirt, and fill it in. And I'll go over here and I'll put the Waltograph font. Okay, I have it here. And I want to put it like over his head in an arch form. So I'll go to my shapes here. I'll take this shape. I'll put it, make a shape like this. Let me see if I can bring it over his head. Like this. Okay. I select this and I'll grab this and I'll bring it on the arch. You see that? And I will have my word. Let me see if I can make it smaller. Let me see here. If I can make the word smaller. Let's put on 36. Let me select it first. And go here and go to 36. Yeah. A little bit smaller. Double click and then I will bring it to the back. Yeah, I love this. Oh, come on. Yeah, I love this. And then I will ungroup this word really quick, and then I will remove my circle, my oval, and I'll delete it. And then I'll group this again. Group. Okay. And after I group him, I have it here. Okay. I have it here. I will group it together with my image. I'll group it together. And then I will place offset around it. I'll go to offset right here. Offset. I think it's too big. I'll make it a little bit smaller. I think I like that. And then I will apply it and I will put it in white. Okay, you see how cute it is? I'll select everything right here, go to the stroke and take the stroke out. And then I'll group it, group both. Then I have my cute sticker. So now we are going to arrange those stickers on our page. And the other thing we do, we go to page setup again. We're going to add the registration marks. Right here, turn the registration marks on. And then I'm going to, the inset, I'm going to bring the inset to the back. Like make it smaller. So that I will have enough space to put enough, as much as many stickers as I want. Okay, and I put it here, and then I'll go back here and I'll put my print border. Okay, that's my print border, my cut border, this red one here. And then I'll bring my stickers inside. Okay, I'll put this one here, duplicate, put the other one here. I'll do it so for now, and then I will arrange them later. Okay, and then I will select all right here, and I'll arrange them with this one right here, beside each other and the same distance between each other. Okay, and after I'm done with them, I'm gonna duplicate them and I'm gonna bring it down here. Okay, bring it down, and in the meantime I can check. I'll select all of them and I will be checking. Oh yeah, they are good. And also I can copy it. You see this here, and turn it around like this. Rotate it really quick and place it here. Place one more here and one more here. So I'm going to select all. You see the black line, the gray line. That means they don't meet. They don't meet. And also they are not outside of this red line. They are all inside the red line. So they will be fantastic to cut. I'll go to send. Go to send. And you have to select this one, cut edge. Okay. Select cut edge. And it will cut over the edge. You see that? They will cut out nicely. Okay. And I'll show you my cut settings. If you're going to cut stickers, I cut with my auto blade. My blade depth is 4, my force is 16, my passes is 1, and my speed is 5. So that's what I cut my stickers with. So I showed you how you can take an AI image, like a actual action AI image, to create a sticker, for yourself or for your kid, for their planner, to know that at this time they need to read. If it's a girl, at this time you need to read. And if you are someone, a crafter who is also using AI, you can purchase my AI GPT, my school adventure AI GPT, to create school stickers for your child. Okay, I have them all here. Different things you can create with this GPT. Whenever you type in that I want the kid to do this, the GPT will show you that the kid will do that. Look at this. Like a girl writing in a book. Writing in a book. A girl sitting on a table writing in a book. Sitting on a table. I had to do that. That's only you have to write. When you write it down, ChatGPT will design it for you, will create it for you. And so you can use my GPT, my Chibi School Adventures GPT, to create action stickers for your child. When I say action stickers, not of Superman and all that. No, simple things, chores that your child has to do. You can create. I said she's sitting on a table. She's sitting on a table. Sitting on a table. She's not sitting on a table. Sitting on a chair. Okay. Yeah, and that's what I yeah, you can come in and create action action images and turn them into stickers for your students. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.